Hello, I'm Mark from Worcester in the UK. Today I'm going to be looking at the 5 modules of the synthesizer and their usage. I'm going to be using the ES1 synthesizer as found in Logic Pro 9 DAW. Okay, so those 5 modules are the oscillator, filter, amplifier, the LFO and the envelope. And here on the screen we can see in the green area we've got our primary modulation. So we've got the oscillator, voltage controlled oscillator, voltage controlled filter and the voltage controlled amplifier. And down here in the dark green we've got secondary modulation. So here we have the oscillator that creates the sound, the filter helps to shape the spectrum, and the amplifier shapes the volume, obviously, but it doesn't shape the volume on its own. For that we have an input from the envelope. We have attack, delay, sustain and release times. Then over here we've got a low frequency oscillator which we can use to add some vibrato. This acts upon, in this instance, the oscillator. So let's take a listen to the effect now. I've got a single keystroke sound. Okay, so let's change the shape of the wave of the oscillator. You can hear the effect. Okay, hear the effect of the sound. The sound can change with the different waves. Now let's have a look at the filter section. We can shape the spectrum with the cutoff traveling between 20 Hertz and 20 kilohertz. And the effect of the resonance, if we increase this, listen to the let's just take that off again. You don't want the bass one on, we're just going to use the one oscillator today. So we can really hear there how the filter can affect the sound that we hear. Now let's go over to and listen to the output, how we can affect this. I'm going to take the attack and release straight off. There's a nasty thump at the end there, so I'm going to add some release time in to take that away. Okay, let's look at the effect of having a longer attack time to create a swell of the volume. And then over here let's have a look at adding some vibrato to the signal. So I'm going to take that attack time back down. We can really hear it sort of. Okay, so if we wanted to simulate a human voice, we'd probably be around about 3 Hertz. Perhaps even as high as 6 Hertz sometimes. Okay, so there's the 5 modules. There's lots more control on this synthesizer, but insufficient time today to go into this. I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and please feel free to leave any comments as you see fit. Bye.